Hello again, I hope you're doing well. So these last few days I've been getting immersed more in Facebook ads and trying to work out why I'm spending and not getting any returns on my campaign. But I think the problem with setting up a campaign where you have cold ads and then warm ads is actually knowing quite how to fix it so that the warm ads follow on naturally from the cold ads. And you can go through these teaching videos, and unless you're stopping them every little bit and making sure you understood what was said, then it's quite easy to miss out on an obvious detail. And I was making all sorts of mistakes setting up my warm ads campaign and not coming out with the right sort of result. And it really took me going into what my mentor was teaching um, in his video, and really going through that with his fine tooth comb till I realised that what I'd missed out on was a fairly obvious mistake. That I actually had to specify my warm ad audience, the reason for creating that particular audience a lot earlier on in the piece than I thought. And it wasn't a case of how I thought it was with the section later on about pixels. So you live and learn every day. It's all quite detailed, let's say, and I'm not the best one for details, to be honest. I'm a lot of the time I'm a big picture man. So sometimes the details do avoid me, or I just don't see that they're there. So, this is obviously something that will take a lot more time, but it is also something I'm going to immerse myself in quite deeply as I go on, because I think it's worth learning this form of advertising and becoming a bit of an expert in it. As once you've got a Facebook ad campaign set up, it does its own work for it. I mean, I have been quite successful on the front end, the cold ads, and getting clicks to my videos and people watching my videos, so I must be doing something right, even if the follow-up warm ads haven't quite been reaching their targets. So I'm still yet to really make an impact in the final results column. Still, persistence, doggedness, stubbornness, and a certain amount of self-belief at this point are necessary. So anyway, I wonder if anybody watching this has picked themselves up a copy of the Affiliate Marketers Playbook, which is obviously there on the page below here, in the bit below, and it's also on other videos I've done. And also, don't forget, you can still get a copy of the Perfect Offer as a front end, which is also a very good free product, in as much as it tells you how to target your particular audience and how to put together the offer that you want to put out on the market. Because having an offer is really the main deal, as it were, in becoming a success in marketing. Anyway, progress is slow, but I feel like I am making it in some sort of way, so that's not so bad. Anyway, if I can teach you anything, then leave a comment below, or get in touch with Internet Profits. Go and pick yourself up a copy of the Affiliate Marketers Playbook, anything like that. Anyway, thank you for listening. Bye for now.